Hi, my name is Dayzsha. I'm a Senior Recreation Leader for the city of Palma, and today we're making hot cocoa. So for today's ingredients, we're going to need sugar, chocolate chips, some cocoa powder, salt, marshmallows, milk, and some sticks to stir it with. So next, what you want to do is get your milk, pour as much milk as you want, whether it's a whole entire cup, half a cup. All right. So next what we're going to do is we're going to heat up the milk. All right, so let it heat for a minute, however long you want it. Make sure that it is warm enough so when you put the cocoa powder in there, it dissolves quickly. All right, so once your milk is nice and warm, now it's time to add the cocoa powder. So you could do 1 to 2 tablespoons of it, depending on how chocolatey you want it. Make sure when you're stirring it that it's dissolved. Once you think you've stirred enough and there's no more powder, what I personally like to do next, if you want your cocoa to be super chocolatey, is add some chocolate chunks, some chocolate chips to it, just to make it more chocolatey. Add as many as you want, and then just stir it up a little bit more. You can see it's melting. It looks more chocolatey. All right, once your chocolate chips are nice, melted in, next we're gonna add 1 to 2 or however much sugar you want to add. So I usually like to do maybe 3 tablespoons of sugar just to make it super sweet. And once you've added your sugar, grab your stirrer and go ahead and stir it in again. So the best time I love to drink hot chocolate is when it's a nice cold night. And I like to drink it when I'm watching a good movie in a warm blanket and I'm all warmed up with my hot cocoa. Once your sugar is nice and dissolved, next we're gonna add a pinch of salt. And the salt just gives it a more of a taste to the chocolate, makes the chocolate pop out more. And go ahead and let that dissolve. Just stir it for literally just a little second. All right. Now the last step to it is to add marshmallows or whipped cream, whatever you desire. I like to add a lot of marshmallows. All right, and that's the last step. So you get to enjoy this with either some graham crackers, some chocolate chip cookies like I am. And we want to thank you for watching our channel, and hopefully we get to see you guys make your hot cocoa. Bye, you guys.